Eggs are super handy for baking, but unfortunately there's some people who just can't have them. They might be intolerant, they might have an allergy, or might be vegan. We can actually make a substitute egg. And the bonus of this substitute egg is that we use chia seeds, which are very high in healthy fats, a fantastic source of fibre, and they're really the perfect addition in any baking that ordinarily you would use an egg. We have 2.5 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And all you need to do is add that water to the chia seeds. Give them a little bit of a mix around, and then in a very short while, those chia seeds will start becoming gelatinous. So let's see what happens in 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes is up. Let's see what's happened to our chia egg. The beauty of chia egg is that you can use it in almost anything as a substitute for regular egg. It's gluten-free, it's vegan-friendly. There are so many ways you can actually use it. What are you going to do with it?